Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the world of programmable logic controllers. We'll explore their history, their functionality, and why they are the cornerstone of any predictive maintenance system. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this video will help you to understand how programmable logic controllers can boost efficiency, save money, and even prevent potential system breakdowns. So, let's get started. Now let's dive into the world of programmable logic controllers. These are the brains behind computer systems in industrial organizations, monitoring inputs and making decisions about outputs. They're often used to keep an eye on motors or machines and are a key part of predictive maintenance systems, which can warn businesses of potential problems before they cause major breakdowns. We'll start with a quick history lesson. The first programmable logic controller was built by Dick Morley in his garage back in 1969. He didn't even realize he was building it. By 1973, Michael Greenberg had created a commercially available programmable logic controller, which was refined by Modicon for use by General Motors and Landis. Over the years, programmable logic controllers have evolved and now include advanced versions known as programmable automation controllers, or PACs, which are used by larger organizations. Now, let's break down the basics of programmable logic controllers. Manufacturers use them to monitor selected inputs, which are then processed to generate appropriate outputs. This makes industrial equipment, production lines, and manufacturing processes more efficient. Programmable logic controllers can be customized to use particular input and output devices, and they work in partnership with other technologies like supervisory control and data acquisition systems, or SCADA, and distributed control systems, or DCS. There are two main types of programmable logic controllers, compact and modular. Compact programmable logic controllers have a set number of input and output capabilities and work well for smaller applications. Modular programmable logic controllers allow for easier expansion of an overall system, making them a good choice for larger or growing companies. We'll also talk about maintenance. Like any major system in an industrial setting, it's important to keep your programmable logic controller system well maintained. This includes regular tasks like cleaning dust off input and output devices, changing ventilation filters, tidying the area around the programmable logic controller to ensure proper airflow, inspecting connections, replacing modules, and backing up data. It's also important to monitor environmental conditions like humidity levels and temperature, calibrate devices, conduct visual inspections, check LED lights, review error history, inspect sensors, and keep your system current with any recalls, patches, product notices, or upgrades. There are many benefits to maintaining your programmable logic controller system. Not only can it extend the lifespan of your equipment, but it can also boost uptime, save money, and improve efficiency. Programmable logic controllers have a wide range of real-life applications. They're used in the oil and gas industry to manage well pad sites, in glass manufacturing to manage material ratios and production processes, in paper manufacturing to control high-speed machines, in cement companies to control kilns, and in HVAC systems to manage climate control. Of course, like any system, programmable logic controllers come with their own set of risks and benefits. Risks include device defects, power problems, grounding issues, interference, temperature problems, and costly downtime. On the flip side, benefits include ease of integration, increased productivity, a small space footprint, project flexibility, ease of troubleshooting, and security. In conclusion, programmable logic controllers play a critical role in today's industrial companies. They provide a flexible, reliable, and secure solution for monitoring important equipment and machinery, and form the foundation of a predictive maintenance program. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the world of programmable logic controllers, their history, functionality, and their crucial role in predictive maintenance systems. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com.